The university has provided a great digital framework for online classes and evaluation, and has taken many measures with the enthusiasm to adapt the situation, and also keeping in mind most of the students' woes. First, I would like to talk about the Learn.NIT University web app, which I think is a crucial component behind the framework's success. It is a web app built to provide a personalized schedule of the day's classes and the respective meeting link. It also has a calendar tab that shows all the week's classes. All of this in one place has made it very convenient for students to attend classes without any confusion. The faculty has also adopted this new regime very well and has been using meeting apps such as Zoom and Google Meet to their full potential, utilizing the chat box and other interactive features to communicate with the class better. However, one thing I'd like to say is that while the online classes have become a great substitute for the physical classes, tools such as online interactive graphs, videos to demonstrate certain concepts would have been very helpful in subjects such as artificial intelligence and computer vision, where there's a lot of implementation required. Online IDEs such as JS Fiddler or CodePen could have been used to demonstrate front-end web development concepts taught in the course Multi-Device Programming. Ayan Digital is a great example of an initiative taken by a university that doesn't shy away from abrupt challenges and adapts to the situation. And it's definitely a successful framework, providing equal resources to all students while trying its best to keep paramount their happiness and convenience.